I love DeFi, and there's two projects that I'm very excited about. One we've talked about in the past, but there's another one at the end of this video that I haven't talked about, and I can't wait to share it with you guys, so you definitely don't want to miss this. Welcome back, everyone. This is SEI, accelerating the future in fastest parallel blockchain. We've done a few videos on this in the past, and this is a blockchain that is really meant for instant payments, DeFi, pretty much any exchange, and to set up payments instantaneously. So banking, retail, pretty much meant for scalability is what it comes down to. And we've seen some major growth in SEI in just, I would say, in the last year. I mean, if we look at CoinMarketCap, they're ranked 51. They've had 5,000% growth in just a short time since just last year. About a year now. It's been about a year. And we had this huge run up to $1. Now it's settling at 44 cents, but the time is still near. If we look at other blockchains like Ethereum, it takes 6 minutes to finalize a transaction. That takes forever. ETH rollups, you're looking at 6 minutes still. Solana, 2.5. And in SEI, you're looking at milliseconds. What's amazing is they actually are able to talk to other blockchains using this technology. And they share a liquidity pool for DeFi. So the DeFi protocol is just stacked with liquidity. I know there's massive amounts of reviews on talking about how amazing the speed and reliability versus other blockchains have been, but I can't wait for the expansion of NFTs, crypto games, the whole ecosystem being able to run on SEI because of how fast it is. It just is something that I'm a big fan of because I love gaming, and if they can have a crypto game that doesn't take forever to do anything, then I'm all for it. I'm really excited about their future plans. I know they are going to be doing governance. They're going to be doing liquidity partnerships. They're going to be doing so much in the gaming space. And it just stands out for a blockchain, really an exchange optimized blockchain. And it's really positioning itself for to be the future of DeFi. But I'm excited about this next project because let's just get into it. So this is Injective, and this is a protocol that is built for finance. I mean, we talked about SEI as being built for finance, and they do have their own places, but this one is really built for its own layer 1 blockchain and providing zero gas fees with high speed financial services. The protocol is really tailored for derivatives, spot trading, lending, synthetics. So all these different things are going to make this a game changer, especially with their zero fees. I mean, if we scroll down here, you can see that it is the future of finance.
This is for educational purposes only. I'm not a financial advisor. Crypto is risky. Do your own research.
And I just really love like this little design: lending options, spot, derivatives, smart contracts, savings. They have all of their blocks transactions. I mean, this is just going insane. The average cost is less than a penny, and the speed is half of a second. So it's just like that. I love what they're doing here. They have revolutionary smart contracts, customized DeFi solutions, all about security, which I love. They have a really let me bring you guys in here. It's a diverse ecosystem with different swaps, different protocols, and it's all on their own layer 1 blockchain. So when you can have dApps, institutions, blockchains, exchanges, validators, wallets, all of these different things that really make up the ecosystem that Injective is doing. So if we check out the page here, you can see some of their featured dApps with Mido, Helix, and Hydro Protocol with Talisman or Talis Protocol. So quite the ecosystem. So if perpetual swaps, cross-chain swaps, or derivatives excite you like it excites me, then you definitely want to check out Injection. It is really focused on the finance side of things versus SEI is really focused on speed of really dApps, gaming, NFTs, really everything else. So I'm very excited about this. I love that they do have zero gas fees. Makes it really, really inexpensive to do transactions versus paying like $10, $20 on Ethereum. So in summary, if you're looking for a project that is tailored to finance, then Injective might be the project for you. However, if you are someone who's looking towards the future of gaming, NFTs, dApps on a Web3 protocol, then SEI might be the project for you too. Both are amazing DeFi projects, and you should both look at both of them because they both have their benefits. But let me know in the comments down below what are you going to use? I am going to use both, but you might only like finance or gaming. So the choice is yours, and I'll see you guys on the next one.